fabric structure 2, all over twill back velveteen. All over twill back velveteens. In this, the foundation we use is twill weave. We can use 1 up 2 down twill, or 2 up 1 down twill, or 2 up 2 down twill. In this here twill foundation we is looser than a pile foundation. Therefore, it requires large number of ground picks to be inserted to maintain the same firmness of the pile. Because the cover factor of twill weave is less than plain weave. So compare with plain back velveteen. These twill back velveteen are having less firmness. Hence, because of the looser pile firmness, the same ratio of pile to ground peaks, more pile peaks can be put and a denser pile is formed. Because we are putting more number of pile peaks to increase the firmness of the piles. The twill ground is softer than the plain ground. The plain ground fabrics are having stiffness and very hard surface. The construction of twill back velveteens. So here we are taking ground to pile ratio of 1:2. Then ground weave is 2 up 1 down twill. Then pile weave is 1 up 2 down twill. So first mark the ground weave. Ground is 2 up 1 down twill. So mark the 2 up 1 down twill. So mark the ground weave on ground weft thread with warp. Here the ratio of ground pile to ground thread to pile weft thread is 1:2. Then mark the ground weave on ground weft with warp. Here the ground weave is 2 up 1 down twill. So mark 2 up 1 down twill in the ground fix. Next, mark the pile weave on the pile weft threads with warp. So mark only in the alternate ends. So we are getting a higher weft float in the fabric surface. So in this design, the red color solid mark indicates warp up over ground weft. The blue color solid mark indicates warp up over pile weft. Then the blank boxes indicate weft up, ground and pile weft up over warp. So in this design, this is a standard design for the moleskin class of fabric, which is made in coarse cotton yarns. This is not a pile fabric, as the floating peaks are not cut but remain in the cloth after weaving. The cloth is very strong and leathery. It is used as a overcoats and car coats. Then see the next kind of view. Here we are taking ground to pile ratio is 1:1:3. Ground is 2 up 1 down 12 and pile is 1 up 2 down 12. So mark the ground view and pile view. Then take ground up to threads and mark ground view on the ground weft with warp. Then mark the pile view on pile threads. Here marking is blue color solid mark indicate warp up on the pile view. So pile view is 1 up 2 down 12. Mark the warp up in alternate ends. The ratio of ground to pile ratio is 1:3. Here You are marking the pile view on alternate ends. That's why the ground view or the foundation views repeated in 2 times. In this design, the red color solid mark indicate warp up over ground weft. The blue color solid mark indicates warp up over pile weft. The black boxes indicate weft up, that is ground weft, and pile weft up over warp. The constructional details of this view are warp count 2 bar 20 text, ends per centimeter 28, weft count 15 text, pitch per centimeter 120, tuft per centimeter square 420, weft contraction is maximum of 12.5. See the designs. You have to practice with another kind of